If you want to make a killing with Google, pay very close attention to the following 10 benefits to secure a top search result in Google. Before I'm going to give you 2 examples of people who scaled up big time using Google, here are the 10 benefits. This will change your life. 1. Everyone sees you. Imagine your website showing up right at the top when people search for stuff. That's like getting your face on a billboard in the digital world. 2. More clicks, more visitors. Think about it as more people walking in your online store because it's right on the main street. More clicks mean more visitors checking out what you've got. 3. Trust boost. Being up there makes you look like the rock star in your field. People trust you more like you trust the advice of a friend who you have known for a long time. 4. Clicks galore. Just like you would peek inside the most interesting shop, websites on top get more clicks. It's like getting VIP treatment in the online world. 5. Smooth sailing for visitors. Ever been frustrated by a slow loading landing page? Google loves the smooth operators. They reward websites that treat their visitors like gold. 6. More money in the bank. It's like having a popular lemonade stand during a hot summer day. More visitors mean more chances to turn them into happy customers. 7. Save that cash. Instead of paying to put your ad everywhere, being at the top of the search results is like getting primo ad space for free. 8. Results that stick around. You know how some fireworks fizzle out quickly? Well, getting up there in the search results is more like having a bonfire that keeps going, even if you're not constantly adding fuel. 9. Beating the competition. Imagine you're in a race and you are leading. That's exactly what happens when you outrank your competitors. People are just more likely to root for you when you're in front. 10. Worldwide stage. Getting to the top of the search results is like having a megaphone that reaches people all over the world. Your message goes global, no passport needed. So I wanted to give you 2 examples of people who scaled up seriously using search engines. Here's the first example. Imagine you're Sam, a regular person who is into affiliate marketing. You've been hustling and making about $1,000 a month promoting products that people need. But then you decided to kick things up a notch and begin ranking your website on the top of the search results in Google. So you dive into some SEO tricks, making sure your website is super relevant and user-friendly. You work hard, and after a couple months, your website starts climbing up the Google search rankings. Suddenly, your website's hanging out at the top like it's the party hotspot of the internet. Here comes the fun part. With your site riding high in the search results, people start clicking more on your links. Your conversion rate gets a nice boost, and instead of just getting a couple sales, your commissions get a huge boost. Let's say you're still promoting similar products and each sale brings you like $30 in commission. Now, with more visitors and better trust, you're making, say, 150 sales a month instead of 50 sales a month. 150 multiplied by 30 gives you $4,500 a month in revenue. And that's just from your affiliate commissions. Remember, your website's also getting more ad revenue, more sponsored deals, and maybe even more subscribers, which can lead to even more revenue. So Sam, who was making $1,000 a month, hustled hard and climbed the Google ladder. Now with $4,500 a month coming in, Sam got more time to do the things that he always wanted to do. Like that dream vacation, fancy a laptop, or treating friends to a nice dinner. All thanks to Google search giving him a prime spot at the online party. Here's another example. Let's meet Lisa. She is the real deal when it comes to online training and consulting. She's been pulling in about $1,000 a month, but then she decides it's time to shine brighter by leveling up her online game. So Lisa gets down to business. Lisa starts learning about SEO and how to make her website super attractive to search engines. She optimizes her content, adds some killer keywords, and makes sure her website is super user-friendly, like an online playground for her visitors. After some dedication, her website climbs to Google search results. Now when people type in stuff related to what she offers, her website pops up like a superstar on the red carpet. And guess what? More clicks start rolling in. Before, she was getting maybe 500 visitors a month, and a small fraction of those people signed up for her courses and coaching. But now her site's up top, and more visitors are checking out what she's got to offer. Instead of a handful sign up, she's getting tons more. Let's say her sign up rate triples, and she's signing up 30 people a month instead of just 10. Her courses and coaching are just top notch. So folks are willing to pay her like $500. 30 students multiplied by 500 equals $15,000 a month. And that's just from her courses and coaching gigs. Remember that her website's also getting more attention from potential partners who want to collaborate and feature her expertise, which can lead to even more opportunities. Now with 15,000 rolling in every month, she's living the dream. Upgrading her workspace, taking those dreamy vacations, and maybe even considering expanding her business. All because she aced her search engine game and got her name in the online spotlight. If you want to step up your online game and make some serious money, then click on the link below the video. I'm going to show you how to do this in just a few short videos. Feel free to post your questions and thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.